Hey guys, this is Ash at Audio46. So today I'm going to review a gaming headset from Sennheiser GSP 670. So I like playing games and I like Sennheiser. I wonder if I'll like this one. Alright, let's start. Sennheiser GSP 670 comes with the headphones, USB cable, USB receiver, and the manual warranty. Okay, so let's take a closer look. This headphone is made out of memory foam and leather, so it really adds on to the comfort. And a good thing about this headphone also is that the microphone is boom arm design, so if you just put it down, it unmutes, and if you put it up, it mutes. Super easy, right? And you can pretty much control the volume and everything using this part of the headphone. There's a power and volume and connecting to Bluetooth. And also you can check how much battery there is left by switching this little button upwards. So I'm not too surprised that Sennheiser kept their GSP line classic, semi-futuristic, but yet kind of 90s sci-fi movie type design with this one. I think I like it. The good thing about this design is that you can separate the cover plates and really add your own style by ordering the custom-made cover plates. And the design itself in general really just looks like gaming headset. I don't really have much to say other than that, but in general I think it's pretty classic and simple, so it's good. In terms of the comfort, these are on the heavy side considering that these are gaming headsets, but that doesn't mean that it's not comfortable. It's actually super stable, and the memory foam really lines up well with your head and is super soft. And it has single-sided metal yoke with the adjustable caliper system on the headband, so you can really adjust the pressure that you want on your head, and you can slide the headphones to adjust the size of your head as well. And in terms of the ear cups, these didn't feel too big or too small. It was just right, so I have no complaints in terms of the comfort. Overall, these are super stable but not pressuring, just like a good healthy relationship. Okay, so sound-wise, these are not too different from GSP 600 with the same neodymium magnet drivers controlling the overall sound, but what I did notice is that there was more strength and power in the low end and the bass than some of the other models in the same line. Also, the EQ curve really helped the overall sound to be more profound, prosperous, and dimensional, with really clear details in the mid-range. And I really like the fact that the details were super clear and crisp because it helped my gameplay to be a little bit more responsive and quicker. And you guys know, if you guys play games, details are important, and being quick on the details is even more important. And the surround 7.1 virtual 7.1 sound is compatible with the Sennheiser gaming software suite binaural rendering engine. And what did I leave out? Oh, lastly, the quality of microphone, they claim it to be I cannot talk today, broadcast quality, and I do agree with that because the clarity was on point and I had no complaints. Alright, so to go a little bit deeper about the feature that this model has, by using Sennheiser's gaming software suite, you can easily control the EQ curve, mic noise canceling level, surround sound, and battery life, monitoring battery life. It should be good as a preset, but you know, everyone's taste is different, so you could easily adjust to your own taste. Also, this low latency connection really helps you to enjoy your gaming or even connecting to your PC for other reasons without interruption, and they claim it near zero interruption, so that's really cool. My final thoughts. Okay guys, I think GSP 670 is just in general a whole package because in terms of the comfort and fit, sound, functionality, I think it was very satisfactory. I especially like the fact that when it came to the fit and comfort, it did feel stable but not too pressuring or tight, so I could use it for a long time without, you know, feeling the discomfort. And I also love the fact that the details were crisp and clear, so it helped my gameplay to be a little bit more responsive and quicker. And it has a sick gaming software suite, so you can control everything on your own taste, with your own taste, and it has a decent battery life, so like I said, I think it's a whole package. I would definitely recommend it to you guys. Alright guys, that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my review, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.